room. I'm located in Brooklyn, New York. I do have other roommates. This room is not the smallest I've been in, but it's not the largest by any means. Um, but it's doable. It's a good size. I like it. And let's get into everything here. So starting at the entrance or the door to the bedroom, I have a hanger over the door that I got from Burlington Coat Factory years ago. I think it was like $5.99 because my closet is so tiny. So I usually use that for over the door storage, obviously, but mainly for jackets and coats, especially during the winter time. But now I utilize it for my spring jackets, my go-to bags, and my favorite hoodie that I got from Forever 21. And this right here is super cute. This is a magnetic key holder that I got from Amazon. I will link it down below. And it just, boop, see? It just holds your keys like that. I'm notorious for losing my keys, so that's why I have it. I buy one of these at every location, every apartment I ever lived in. And a little rule of thumb here is that adhesive that's on the back of that the key holder, it's super strong, so I would not advise you to put it on your wall because when you take it off you will rip the paint up. So I have it up here with the command strip. Here, there's me. Hi. This is the mirror that I showed you guys. Whoa. This is the mirror that I showed you guys how I DIY'd it. With the lights from Amazon as well. I got this mirror years ago from Burlington Coat Factory or Marshall's, which was a huge steal. And I utilize this as like my outfit mirror, getting ready for the day. And I put the lights on here because in this corner, it's quite dark. So if I need a little more lighting, I turn that on. And here is my very tall, narrow, small closet. Typical of New York City apartments. It's like a blessing if you even have a closet in your room. So a closet tour will come later. I'm gonna show you guys how I like organize it, maximize the space, because I did some amazing things. Now onto this side is where I keep some little things, my to-do lists. This frame I got from Marshall's, and I did a flower press with my with flowers for my grandmother's funeral. So this piece is like very special to me and to my heart. So I always take this everywhere I go. And this particular flower press was done in 2012, so it lasted a really long time, which is really nice. This is just like a random Polaroid of an exit in Baltimore, where I'm from. And this is my mommy. And this also comes with me everywhere I go because she's the bomb.com. Now on to my like working area, I guess you would say. This circle mirror I got from Urban Outfitters years ago for a massive discount. Like I got this mirror, I think was $56. I don't know if Urban still does that, but if anything is like online returned, you can get it at 75% off, so that's why it was so cheap. This, love that fridge. It's my little skincare fridge. Let's just pop that open. And I keep all my little skincare goods in there. Really cute. This is my plant Banana. It's an elephant ear plant. This is my plant Felipe. Felipe's doing pretty good. Look, he's getting some new plant babies. And then in this corner here, I have a tall umbrella. I don't know if you can see. And my little stool because I'm 5'3", and for me to get to like the top of my closet is just not doable at my height. So I needed some extra help. This little clear storage thing I got from Amazon as well, and I just keep my like go-to things in here. My toothbrush, because you should not keep your toothbrush in the bathroom, because look it up, it's just nasty. Moisturizer, lip gloss, perfume, Q-tips, scrunchies. Like, I'm very basic, so this is all I would need. And then on this side, I have Nike, which is a cute aloe plant. And I have my jewelry here. This is a pop socket. Don't mind this. I put that on the back of my phone. And then my chapstick that I like to use at night. But I just keep it here instead of putting it in like a dish or anything, because I'm constantly grabbing it and like it just makes more sense to me. And then this little box is from IKEA, and I keep like everything that I would need access, like, I don't know, extra hand sanitizer, feminine products, more chapstick, thumbtacks, command strips, things like that is in there. So yeah. Now this 6-cube organizer is from IKEA. This is always in stock, so you'll be able to find it. I also got the bins from IKEA because they just fit better. And what I love about these bins is that they have this little flap one here. You can just pull them out like that, and they hold a lot of things. I'm not going to show you those bins because they're a tad bit messy, but let's see if this one is. Oh, this one's not that messy. This is where I keep like all my towels and my washcloths. But this is like 8 towels in here, and then some washcloths there. And you can see here it's marble. It did not come like that, folks. I did here and on this side. It's just contact paper that I got from Amazon and that I just stuck on there to make it look a little more elevated and cute. And like if stuff spills in here, I can easily wipe it off, which is really nice. I forgot to tell you guys about these rugs. This rug and this rug, they're both from Amazon. This was a steal. I think this is a 5x7. This was like $26 or $30. And this is, I think, a 4-foot round. And I think this was like $20 to $25. If it's still in stock or if I can still find it, I will link it down below. Now let's go to the bed. Ooh. So this is actually a duvet cover that I got from Amazon. That is a recurring theme. Everything basically in here is from Amazon because I'm obsessed. But like, who isn't? This is the pale yellow duvet cover. It came with the pillowcases. I just love this color. I didn't want to do white because everyone does white and like, nah. So I wanted a little bit more color, but not too crazy. As you can see, the little peak of that orange there, she's from Amazon too. This is a pillow cover that I got from Amazon. I just put that over this old pillow that was kind of a mess, so it can look cute. And this little doggy here is my little bulldog. His name is Fred. I have had this bulldog for like 6 years. Like, he goes with me everywhere. I love it. I'm attached to it. And it just gives me that motivation for when I get my dog, when I move. I need my dog. And when I move, I'm going to get a dog. This pillow is so beautiful. I love the print. This was from Home Goods. I think this was $14.99. And then the back is like really soft too, which is nice. And then I have 2 white satin pillowcases in the back. Because if you're a naturalista, or if you want to take care of your hair and skin, you know, satin pillowcases are where it's at. Now moving on to the little decor here. I have this natural hanging that I got from Etsy when I first moved to New York 4 years ago. That was kind of like my gift to myself for getting into FIT and like finally making my dreams come true and moving to New York. How cheesy. That naked lovely lady is from Amazon. I'll link that down below. And I think that was like $12, which is really nice because sometimes these line wall art, they're just expensive and it's just like one long continuous line. I'm paying $40 for it, so I don't get it, but whatever. This is another potho plant. I don't have a name for this one yet, so if you guys think of any cute, unique name, comment down below because I want to give this one a name. And the little bulbs that you'll see in some of the plants around the room, they're just watering bulbs because like these plants don't need to be watered that often, so I put those bulbs in the plants that will suck the water when they need them. So I'm not overwatering them, I'm not killing them, and I'm keeping my babies alive. And on the shelf next to the plant you'll see books. That is one of my favorite books of all time. I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. Such a good book. I would read it if you haven't. And a couple more back there. The shelf you will not be able to find. I got that from Urban like 8 years ago too, but obviously you can find something similar to it. If you hear noise in the back, my apologies, but that's New York. Then I got this little wall art from, can you guess? Amazon. Yes, good job. And I'm an Aquarius, so it says honest, loyal, independent, and that couldn't be more true because I am. That frame is actually from the dollar store, and this little mirror I got from Home Goods as well. That was only $5.99, so very, very cute. Now I opened my window just a bit. We have a backyard in the back, which is really nice, and a little fire pit. So that's really cute. But I opened the window to show you the windowsill because in New York you have to use all the storage that you can, the space that you can. So I have my humidifier there, my little speaker, my wide Polaroid camera that I love, my Palo Santo sticks, a couple more books that I love, my little dying succulent. Oh my god, she needs help, but we will. And my jade plant. So that is the windowsill. Now on to this corner. Sorry, I'm watching Hitch. Like, who else does not or does love that movie? It's so cute. So I have this little planter here with another plant. This is Aya. Love her. And then I created like this little plant hanger with some twine. Very easy, very simple to do. And then I got this lamp. See if I can step back a little bit. It's a floor lamp. I got this from Walmart, and it actually was $14.99. It came black, but I spray painted it gold so I could like it a little bit more. And the cool thing about this lamp too is that if you cut it on, I got like one of those cool bulbs from, what is it called? From Amazon, where you want to set the mood. And see, I can change the color, or it can strobe. I can do any color I want it. Pink, red, blue. Turn it off as a timer on there, so love that for nighttime. And then here is a little, it's a wicker basket. Oops, if you guys can tell. It's a wicker basket, but I put like extra blankets on top of there, and then in that basket is accessories like belts, hats, bags, a little loud, and things like that. But it's a cute little, see, it's a cute little sitting stool too. Like I can sit here, watch TV I want. Aya's touching my head, so yeah, I like that as well. And then this little basket here is for my laundry. Gotta do laundry, but that's real life. So I keep my little laundry in this corner. I like it here because I can keep an eye on it. I don't like for my laundry to pile up because that's just annoying. Now here's an overview of this side of the wall. More plants. Wow. So this dresser I got from Target. Was $119. It legit came in a flat box. I had to put all of this together. It took 3 hours because legit you had to put each individual drawer together. TV was gifted. I have my sage with a little sage bowl up there, and these are books that I'm currently reading right now. And then these two frames, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to put in there. Also, don't mind if there's like smudgy or blackness on the wall. It's because I had a candle there and I just need to wipe that off. That just reminded me. But if you guys know of any reasonable print places I can get some cool prints from, let me know. Because I've been researching it and they're like $40 a print and that's not in my budget. So yeah. This clock is from Target. The I Can't Adult Today is from Marshall's. This frame is from Walmart. I think it was $5.99. When I spray painted that light gold, I spray painted this gold too, so I can kind of be on theme. And then we have my plants. Wow. So this is my rubber plant, Penelope. This is Waleed. And then that's Granddad. Why the plant is named Granddad, I'm just a very special person. Then I have my wastebasket here. These bins at the bottom are for additional storage as well. And then I have books that I've already read there with a hurricane with a candle in it. And then I have my sneakers, which I'm just waiting for my shoe, what's it called? Shoe holder to come in, so they're not on the floor. And then this is actually a side table with the red pillow on it. It's a side table I got from Urban years ago as well. Now, I don't utilize it as a side table. I utilize it as a stool. It's a stool. So I take this buddy and I put it here and I sit on it. I sit on it and work on it, and it's very sturdy. It holds the girl. I'll show you. See? Very comfy. This is only like a short-term situation because my back aches and I can't sit in this for hours. But when I move, I'm actually going to keep this piece, but I'm also going to get like a desk and like a chair. So just hold it on for 2 more months and then I will do that. So this is another quick overview. I love plants. I love things to be bright. I like things to have a place to be. I like to be organized, neat. I'll be doing the laundry after this. Thank you for tuning in to my bedroom tour. A closet tour will be coming soon. And I'll see you next time.